Ebi bishoborera umuhwezi wa National Coordinator abw'enteekateeka ya Parish Development Model Jovelyn Kalisa obwabiravuganye n'abaturage ab'eggombora ya Kyankwanzi otaireho n'abebembezi ba district aha kanisa ya Rubiri Church of Uganda omu district ya Kyankwanzi. Ogu omushango yagwejekyerera abakozi omu nteekateeka egi abu yagira ngu bakashereka abantu amakuru agakwatiraine n'enteekateeka egi beiba sente. Kalisa yashoborera ngu ekyokutangaza munonga hariho n'abantu abatungire sente zahari account zaabo batakiri mu magara gensi.
People are responsible for this disbursement to come quickly, go down on the systems and tighten all the leakages on the systems of disbursing the money. Or else, at the end of the day, we are going to put our fingers in the nose without having answers to tell the president. Because the president now, he openly asks the people. But when we keep not telling him, also sharing with him the challenges that we are faced with on the ground, and we think that maybe we are the final people, I think maybe we are not doing the right thing.
Ukurikira hari Kalisa obwahati bahereze kukwata sente ziri kwingana Miriyooni 50 kandi obwahati ziri mu mikono ya polisi ya district niemu.
Like I've said, they are using the chance of people's ignorance, the vulnerability to steal their money. I think this time round, it's high time we technical people come up and agree that the president has done
Ibi bikiri aho Christine Sendaura Bukenya uri mu myeshegero kazahabwa district ya Kyankwanzi naenda ngu n'enteekateeka eri kukozesebwa okuhereza abantu sente eri kumanywa nka wendi ehinduru.
When they brought all those problems, money was expected on the phones, which was right and easier and quick, but the moment you lose an Andangamu, someone else can use it and get your money. So if we can go back to the bank, I think it will be work better than Wendy in our area.
Abaturage abatari bamwe na bamwe utiriho n'abebembezi babo bashobora uko abantu abarkweba imbere enteekateeka niyemwe babibireho sente zabo.
Batambulira okwagala okuwa abantu sente, abantu netwalondola okuwa sente sibaweebwa sente. Ku kitundu kino nkolanga kansala ow'ekitundu ekyokubiri omuluka gwe nali nkulira ne beetaaga okufuna sente naye tebaalitufuna. Nsanga fayiro zaabwe zonna nga baziterese. Kati nenzijjayo ne mbajjiriza abantu bange basobole okufuna sente naye sente tebaazifuna. Awo chairperson we yanyiigira kubanga mulemeseza okufuna $55,000 ku muntu nga bwe yali akyagala. Kati awo nagenda okwesanga nga mpulira bwe baamukwata nga bamaze omusiba, nagenda okuwulira nga baŋŋamba nti nze nafuna $5,000,000.
Makuraga gasha kwa God asaba wa Sky TV agenshonga mu district ya Kyankwanzi.